A warm welcome to my channel, everybody. I'll be making an analysis for the pound USD for Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024. So we're starting off on the monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame, okay, now I don't know where to start, but basically I have been on the sell side, and I just want to explain myself just a little bit because I can see that there is some bullish pressure, but I feel like we've had this is it a channel or a falling wedge for quite some time now? Like if I just plot it on the points, this trend line, and I can see that price has sort of broken above this level here, but to me not quite, because I still feel like this was a range and it broke outside of the range, and I feel like price is making a retracement. Now at first I honestly was looking for sells around this level here, which is the 61.8% fib, but we can see that price broke above this level. We didn't have any bearish candles to confirm this bias, and I do have another horizontal resistance level here, that is the 78.6% fib. So I still think that price might come over to this level over here, yes, to the 78% fib, and then maybe some rejections over here to still look for those sells, because yeah, I just feel like even just aside from that, looking at the euro just very quickly, I don't trade the euro, but I use it for correlation. If I look at the euro, price has been maintaining quite well at the 61.8% fib, and then price does look like it was creeping up, and maybe price might reject around this level here just from a technical analysis perspective. Yeah, of course, if it does end up breaking above that level, I will be looking for buys, but the reason why I am explaining myself, okay, we'll look at the dollar later, but yeah, that's the reason. So I just feel like maybe we might have a reaction around this level here, but then of course if we don't, I'm still looking for short-term buys before looking for those sells. So yeah, because I can see some of you have asked me why I'm on the sell side, and that is the reason why. But of course I'll be monitoring the market and waiting to see how the monthly candle closes, because we have 8 days, yeah? 8 days till October. That's crazy. Okay, so going over to the weekly time frames, we can see here that price was pushing up. We had this candle over here, like a dragonfly doji with a bullish candle. So it looks like price is heading up, and this is the next level that I will be watching. Going over to the daily time frame. So yeah, we can also see this. There has been some bullish pressure, which is nice because there was a bullish engulfing candle here. So actually the trade that I was able to take last week were buys, and we can see that the Friday candle, small bullish candle here. I'm waiting for a sort of retracement. So maybe let me just go to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, I have this little trend line here. We are making higher highs and higher lows. So there is also this very long candle, long wick here, and I feel like price might make like a double sort of bottom, might fill this balance that we have here, and then maybe continue pushing up. So as per now, I am looking for short-term buys. And if I just take my fib retracement level, I can see that we do have a 38.2% Fibonacci level here. So this does look like an area that I'll be watching out for. In case price does continue pushing up, I'll still be waiting for a sort of retracement before just a sort of retracement, and then look for buys. So here now, this is the 1 hour time frame. I change my points to maroon. So this is Friday's high and this is Friday's low, and I can see that now. I don't know how the market is going to open, but basically I'll be waiting for, because of that wick, maybe a retracement to around this level. Even here is not bad, but I think I'll just be watching this level here, and then yeah, hopefully now it breaks above to now go over to the level that I was talking about up here. Yeah, so maybe it might end up breaking above Friday's high, which is also a good confirmation for me to still look for those buys. So as per now, guys, I am on the buy side, and maybe just another option if this does not happen. Probably I might be looking for a break above, a retracement, and then yeah, look for another buy over here. Hopefully I should get an opportunity, because I am an intraday trader. I'd like to look for trades based on the 1 hour time frame. So we'll just wait and see. But I think last week I was able to only get one trade. Unfortunately, yeah, it was a buy around this level here. Just one trade, because the market was just not good. So I had a position like this. Yeah. So hoping for the best this week. Hopefully we get more trades, because yeah, tricky. All right. So going over on the, this is the dollar index. This is the monthly time frame. So this is also the other reason why I am looking for buys on the pound. This is also because price is still not broken above this level here. And it does look like this level has been pretty strong, because when I take my Fibonacci retracement level, tool, we can see, okay, price is in between the 61% and 50%. So I think that's also clarification for me to still hope that the dollar might continue rising. And we can see here the weekly time frame, we have some candles here. Still price wasn't able to break above. Oh, and also let me just show you some things. I'm going over to the 6-month time frame just to also explain why I'm looking for sells on the pound. The 6-month time frame, I know this is a bit of a stretch, but we have this really long wick, and I feel like whenever we have a long wick like this, price tends to make a wick fill. So this is also another reason, because if the dollar does end up going up, then that means the rest of the pairs will be going down, yeah? So that's also another reason, yeah. It's a bit far-fetched, but yeah, just more description. Okay, so daily time frame, we can see we have some candles here. Yeah, lots of rejection around this level here. Nothing too extraordinary. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Okay, yes, we have some bullish candles over here, and I think that price might push up. It looks like we are sort of in a range. So if the dollar does end up going higher, then I'll be looking for sells on the pound. But let's see how it goes. So I'll just be monitoring this level either way. I don't think I have anything much aside from just watching to see if this level breaks or not. So yeah, I think that's it for the news. I don't think there's anything much next week. So let's see. I filter my candles. Oh, okay. So we have some euro news, some pound news, some USD news, 4:45 p.m. East African time, because I'm based in Kenya. And then Tuesday, 5 p.m., we'll also have some USD news. So I'll be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I hope you've understood my video. Please comment. I really, really do appreciate when you guys comment and just let me know your opinion. It's very, very helpful. So this is currently what I'll be looking for. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.